Good morning. This is the Songbird cooking, homemade cooking. Now this was quick and fast baked macaroni and cheese. This is not the macaroni and cheese that stays in the oven for 45 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour, depending on who you are and how you make it. And as you can see, it's really bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. And it's just right. Look at it. See? Is bubbly. Look at that. So, I'm just going to turn the oven off. And I'm going to put it back in the oven for 5 minutes with the oven off. But it looks like it's just right already. I probably might not want to put it back in, but I'm going to give it 5 more minutes. Let me see if this is hard, because see, I don't like it when it gets dry and hard. So I'm not going to put it back in the oven. This is fast baked macaroni and cheese. Just simple ingredients of butter, milk, and cheese. This is basic. Simple. Oh, I'm sorry. Paprika on top is what you see. The brown is, they turn around, it was kind of reddish. Paprika. Look at that. And this is going to be really good in about 5 minutes.